Again, one thing when I go always tell una, my part talk what say that you are in this house doesn't mean you know all happening in the house. Inside your own house, e get some kind things wey dem go tell you when dem go break to you say e happen, even you go dey fear say issue. You hear me dey for the house. I no know if you dey understand. That goes to you can be in a community for 50 years and wetin dey happen inside that community you no know. This video go long small. I wan calm down, talk to una about something. You see this oil well matter, this issue wey dey happen for Imadaja so, ma tell una about something. When I know about this matter, it was 2010. When me know about this matter, this Imadaja matter, it was 2010. Then I was preparing for my WAEC. When me tell no, the other self for Bogo see they sell land for how much? Bogo land never even reach 1 million that time. You never even reach 800,000 that time self. That 2010. You understand? Now, what be the whole issue? At first, before you talk about the problem, first look into wetin cause the problem. Who and who dey around when that problem burst? You dey understand? Now why if you go court, they must seek for evidence, eyewitness, if anyone dey available. When I dey tell una say, before you go fight governor, before you go fight president, first of all, fight your community leaders. Una never still understand that statement una dey always dey make. Before you go fight governor na bad person o, governor na bad person o. You see that your community leader, so your youth president, your community president general, which is the PG, your elders in council, the woman leader, fight these people because na them dey make decision for that community on behalf of you. And where therefore they make the decision, you no dey there. Now let's go to the story. In 1972, the court discover oil for Adaja community. Now that Adaja community so is comprised of 6 different communities. The Adaja so it give birth to 6 different community. Community like Ubogo, Ugbisi, Imadaja, them whatever. 6. I want you to do this thing, man. Russia comot ground. Now, they could discover oil for this community. And according to a government report, if they discover oil for your land, they know they invade your land. You can go and do research for what I want to tell you so. And not just they come online, they can talk. Government don't just they invade your land. When they discover the oil, they go invite some dignitaries from that place, from that community. They go come follow this community, these dignitaries, they sit down, get agreement on the natural resources when they discover. I don't know if you understand. Now, as at that time, government with NNPC and this OML, they call invite dignitaries. Who and who they invite to the community? The community chairman, the elders in council, the women leader, and the youth leader. See these 4 positions be like the president, the National Assembly, which is the Senate and the executive. Now the kind of people when they there for your community, then they will call invite. They call sit down. When they sit down, what will be the topic when they discuss about, when government discuss with them? 1, development. Memorandum of understanding. Then government will call discuss the percentage when the community go dey take. Did you understand? Government will call discuss percentage of community go dey take. Now, according to the document when I read, the percentage of government they give na 3%. But whether they don't increase am now, I no know. Whether they don still decrease am, I no know. But from wetin I read from government portal, the thing dey online, you can go online and read it. Na 3% government dey give. And that 3% so na annually the money dey come from everything wey dem take, every oil wey dem take, dem go remove 3% give your people. Now wetin this 3% is being used for? This 3% is used for youth development, for road for that community, electricity supply, water, healthcare and empowerment. You dey understand? These people when the government invite so, dem dey come with lawyer, because everything wey dem dey do is documented. Dem go come document am. Every year government dey bring scholarship dey come the community when the oil dey. Government dey bring scholarship dey come. Every year that people they are entitled to good healthcare system. Dem dey come maintain una healthcare system, dey give una modern facilities. Una dey enjoy free light, una no dey pay light bill. Hello? Una dey enjoy free light, una no dey pay light bill. Una dey enjoy one of the best roads. Any community wey oil dey no dey pay light bill. Dem dey enjoy free road. Na the company when dey extract that oil, then dey work on their road, healthcare system, then dey pay their light bill because of the benefit when the company dey get from that place. Now I be talk this thing, I be say I wan talk, I come just post am for Facebook, I come say a lot of mumu comment, I come just laugh. How many of Adaja children dey go school in scholarship? Because I tell una say, ask una community leader, when they say, hey, mother not concern you, mother not concern you, you know, you be mumu. The Ukpiomi when I come from, when my mama come from, so Ukpiomi when my mama come from, so oh yeah, dey there. My uncle Peter Ahrere, you can go there and verify. I dey talk with you, I no know. Uncle Peter Ahrere use scholarship take go university for Port Harcourt. I know how many times that every year when my uncle go come, one of our uncle like that, but that one don late, he go come, he come talk say, he come tell my man, bring your children passport, scholarship don come, this. My grandfather, the man wey give birth to my mother, have a big stake in this conversation. Because na dem sit down draft this whole agreement for Ukpiomi that time with Jitoku, late Jitoku. Na dem sit down draft this agreement. So when these things that they come, they call dey share am within the community people. But the moment my grandfather just let go, some other men dem when see dey truthful for the matter let go, all the Jitoku call dey sell all the scholarship. Ukpiomi children no call dey see scholarship take dey go school. Even my uncle when know about am, quiet, he no dey talk. Probably one or two things still dey touch him body. I no dey pet story because say na my family member, I no dey pet am. One or two things still dey touch that guy body. Na so they call the do and dey go. Now what am I trying to tell you? These people dey pay the money to your community, but what are they doing with the money matters. So before you fight, I repeat, before you fight, call them sit down. Who make the agreement? Where the document? And what do they do with all this money? It matters. Me, I no wan just stress this matter, and I no go like talk about am again. But you see that una Adaja wetin call people when they shop the money, some dey Asaba, some dey Abuja. People when they, if una dig deep very well, if una dig deep very well. Shali abeg, make your man no go put you for trouble. If una dig deep very well, I know they talk with you, I don't know. If I even verse and say I fit post document, I go post people name. People when they shop una money, some dey within una for there when small change the ratio. But you see the iron no dey the town, not dey that una town. dem dey outside. So sometimes before you do any kind thing, me wey dey tell you so, I don witness this thing before. Na okpuremi matter I just tell you just now. Same thing go to other communities for the Udu. I no wan call names, but community wey dey produce oil for the Udu, we know them. Go online and search. Because of violation of wells and con ten t, I no wan just make dem take my page, because the media now dey do one kind, dey edit any kind thing wey you dey post these days. So if you think say wetin I talk so na lie, you yourself do your research. Before you go come attack me, go and do your research. I no dey talk wetin I no know. Before you go come attack me, bro, do your research. Na when wetin you see different from wetin I talk, then you come use that one take counter me. You bring counter argument, no be abeg comot for here, no know anything, which dey born you. The date when dey born me no determine wetin I go know. E no limit me from knowing things when I wan know. You might be 100 years old man, you no still know anything. Things dey pass your domot, you no know. You might be a 50 years old man, you no still know anything. So age no really determine knowledge. I rest my case. I no talk pass like this.